Yeah. Hello, dear friends. Today I want to teach you 2 ways to fail. Yes, 2 secrets of failure. I know you would love to hear this. Yeah. Number 1 secret of failure is let your learning lead to knowledge. Acquire so much knowledge. Let your learning lead to knowledge and focus on learning alone. Right. Number 2. Oh, you will love this one. Wait before you take action. Yeah, so when you learn about something, wait before you take action. Don't take action immediately. Wait a little before you take action. Those are 2 beautiful secrets of failure in life. I know you will love it. All of you hearing this, you will love this so much. So, number 1, acquire so much knowledge. Have you ever seen those who are successful in life and at the top of or at the pinnacle of their career acquiring so much certificates? So you call them dropouts. Don't you know them? But here you are, you're trying to get your master's. In fact, let's start with the BSc. You're trying to get a BSc, you're trying to get your master's, then you want to go for PhD. Oh, then you want to go higher and higher. Is that how to succeed in life? You want affirmation. You want to qualify. You don't know you're affirmed already? You want people to confirm you. Confirm yourself. Give yourself permission to move ahead, because the only person that can give himself permission is you. You alone can give yourself the permission, and you have what it takes already. Have you heard of self-education? Do you know what Jim Graciosi, what Tony Robbins, what Jim Rohn, and many others have in common? Talking about Lisa, talking about Martin Luther King, talking about Nelson Mandela. All right. Do you know what they all have in common? Self-education. They taught themselves by reading books, not by acquiring so many certificates. They also took massive actions. Yes, they acted immediately they heard. So once you wait a little before you act, you have already begun to fail. I tell you that whether you like it or not, you have begun to fail once you wait a little before you act. So take it for what it is. It's either you take the positive or the negative. Anyway, I've served you my breakfast. Have a nice day.